Hello! In this video we would like to share the top 3 applications for the new Android 13 system. So the first app is called WTMP, which stands short for Who Touched My Phone. This app, once active, imperceptibly takes pictures from the frontal/selfie camera of your device, whatever the device is. Each time the screen gets unlocked, or even if there is the unsuccessful unlocked attempt as well. Therefore, by having this app active, you will be able to keep the track of the fact whether somebody trying to gain an authorized access to your mobile device, smartphone, tablet, or whatever that is you have the Android 13 system on. So let's go ahead and launch it, allow it the notification access, accept the terms. There is this, introduction instructions, should I say. Well, sounded funny, didn't it? And in here, in order for the app to be switched on, tap on this power button. Once launching the app for the first time, you need to grant it the camera access. The unlimited background battery usage can be skipped, or I'll actually make it to be unrestricted. And finally, just allow it to have the permit usage access by turning this toggle on. And once we get back to the app, we can see that this gray power button turned green, which essentially means that the app has been successfully activated. So let's test it out. I'll simulate the unsuccessful unlock attempt by placing the wrong finger, probably maybe even entering the wrong pattern as well. Unlock the screen. And now let's simulate the situation when once I am the person who, took the phone. I successfully unlock my display, and as you can see, at the WTMP we have 2 entries, the one of them being device not unlocked and the second one device unlocked. So each of those entries will contain the picture from the selfie camera taken at the moment of the screen unlock attempt. Alrighty, so moving on to the second app that is called PixArt, a very well-known app for editing and retouching photos / videos / pictures, or whatever that is you have for to be edited. Once launching the app for the first time, just skip all the ads, allow it, or should I say grant it, the gallery access. Choose what photo, picture, video you would like to work with. I'll go with the only one that I have, this modest screenshot. And in here, at the bottom part of the page, or at the bottom part of the screen, you'll have all the available categories of tools and features and options and what's not that you can apply to your picture. For example, only this category of tools have this many features. There is also the separate effect category that allows you to, surprise, apply some effects. Retouch, remove the background, sticker that you can apply the sticker with, cut out, replay text and photo, whatever that you want to do with that, you'll probably be able to execute with the PixArt. So we highly recommend that you download and install this app yourself and play with all the options and features that it has to offer. And third and final app that we were to share with you is called Stickaround. It's a very simple yet handy and useful app that allows you to check whether any particular movie or film has the hidden scenes, both, or should I say neither, let's say both after and during the credits. So this app contains from 2 sections, in theaters and search. As you could already guess, in theaters page will provide you with the list of films that are currently in the theaters. So let's say I want to check whether the new Luck cartoon have the after or during the credit scenes. As you can see, it has neither. What about the new Thor movie? Alright, yep, I should wait for the hidden scenes both after and during the credits. And the second section of the app called Search, it allows you to look for any particular film. Basically, it has quite a few movies in its database. So let's say I would like to check the hidden scenes of Dune movie 2021, and it clearly states there is nothing to wait for. Therefore, if the movie that you would like to get the hidden scenes data for, some old movie, or simply the film that has already left the theaters, the cinemas, you can just go for the search section. Alrighty, so that will be it not only for the sticker and app, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.